Anyway, I throw a salute and I do wake up for point Pidgin after match to come out. You say, I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you know say you never drop comments for inside this video, you never drop like, I beg, don't forget to show area love now. You understand? Make we too fit see they get one or two things at the end of the day for inside this YouTube lifestyle. Both we continue to bring on this get content. We don't watch the Carabao Cup final finish and the result clear for everybody eye because Manchester United don't lift this one today. Manchester United 2 and Newcastle 0. And we get Oga Timmy will be like say, now Ogbonge Man you fan make come tell us about how we see this game. The time we get one time where I interview you, you talk say, man, you get 3 trophies this season. So can people come they doubt and say, ah, now lie, say this guy don't know what's in the talk. Man, you don't win one now. I beg, tell country people the other 2 will remain because that time be like say get what you see, what some people don't see when you talk for that interview. I bet tell country people how you they see your team and the 2 trophy will remain when you believe say man you go win this season.
When I tell them that time, be like say I dey talk nonsense. They say this boy won't follow. They don't know say we dey watch our team. We dey watch our team. We dey see the passion. We know say yes, any IP we ready to die. That passion where they marry, they give you footage. See, we dey lose 1-0 self. We might first not the fear. We sit down, we balance. Check anyhow to be. We don't win this one. I tell them they say 3 trophy. We don't win this one. Carabao Cup. I tell them say make the Arsenal they wash. How we go they come? We go come like a thief in the night. Where the Bible talk. We go just sneak with your collector. Then make them wash out for the Europa because we don't already tell them say we don't tell them we don't make statement for the Europa League say yes we not dead. We don't beat Barca. Barca like say they be a bogus team like this for the Europe. Check am. We beat them well. This one said now convince beat to everybody say Zavi confirm and say yes. Our coach they work, yes. That's so it be. So make them watch out for us.
So I want to ask you about your manager now. You know say the last time man you win cup na 2017 Europa League under Jose Mourinho. Other managers don't come, some don't try, they no fit. But now we don't see from Eric Ten Hag don't come. This is in first season already. Season never finished. He don't win one already. What do you get to that country people about this Ogbonge doings when your manager they do?
Oh, Ten Hag there. Oh, God there. Now only God will bless her for us like this. Oh, now the only blessing there when man you don't get for manager since Solskjaer good oh, but Solskjaer not get the mindset where Ten Hag get. Solskjaer they play checkers, Ten Hag they play chess. Chess players they very smart. Watch this match. First half that lot they fuck up. Yeah, Mazima they do Jangalingo. They fall like anyhow. I talk I say I know say this our coach is here. Second half, watch he put Bissaka. Oh boy, Bissaka won't key. We not see Mazima again for the game. They call Komota, they put Willock. So they Mazima call they get fear. They get PTSD for Bissaka head. If you see Bissaka head, so pass ball self, they want to run to the tire run. So this our match that coach winner, I tell you. As he just scored the 2 goals first half, put Bissaka. 60-something minutes, he come out 2 players. We put McTominay and Sabitzer. McTominay the mark, that defensive midfielder. Casemiro the mark, that defensive midfielder. Even Sabitzer, watch the match, he the mark where they mark. So he come here, he not come play second and say he won't come score but they go attack. He can't hold the ball. He can't collect the ball well. Make them attack well. Close to the end itself, he can't put Maguire come on Rashford. Why? They don't the pressure call it too much. Make calm the game. Our defense because they play 5 defense, 3 defensive midfielder. The rest must not attack and make them just the room. Anything where they want to play your ball. But we won't collect our 2-0 take goal. That's how we take with the top.
So who'll be your man of the match for today's match?
Our coach. Anybody apart from our coach, you feel give Casemiro. But our coach now win this match for us. Because he know how to make his substitution. He study the game well. He know what he play. He know what he want. He get him.
So make I ask you, Ogatimi, where do you get to tell all the opposition fans, all those Chelsea fans, Arsenal fans, Liverpool fans, even Barca and Madrid fans, all those opposition them? What do you get to tell them?
Our time don't come. We don't sign coach. Now we get coach. Mo we said the club now. May they give our coach money. That coach know what he wants. people dey say work not dey play, but the coach before coach dey start every time, you know wetin he dey see for the player, e get wetin he wan make the player give am when the player dey deliver for am. People dey say Anthony no good, e dey tell you say the boy go improve, do this one o. Yes, defensively Anthony dey try. Na that offensively we want, those scoring of goals, taking of players on, na wetin we want, and the boy don dey improve. You dey see am, Bissaka don improve immensely well. Like this our coach abeg, e get wey dey take dey praise person pass.
No be lie.
I
no be
love
lie,
her die.
no be lie.
He don try.
Alright now, guys. The people now, loyal boy across where they loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.